So YouTube Shorts pays you next to nothing. How next to? So as you can see here, this YouTube short got over 2,000 views, gave me 4 subscribers, and YouTube paid me 18 cents. So 18 cents still better than nothing, but pretty close to nothing. So how do you make more money with YouTube Shorts? So going back to my analytics here, so that's the short I just talked about. So next one, I have 5,000 views for this YouTube short. It made me 36 cents. And one of my more viral shorts here, as you can see, so got over 400,000 views and gave me 400 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $31. So that is a pretty big jump, but again, it's still just, you know, a YouTube short. You would think a short that got this many views would pay out more. So this 11-second short is still getting a lot of traffic. As you can see, within the last 48 hours, got me 11,000 views. So what am I doing with this traffic? So I am actually pushing some of this traffic to one of my longer form videos. So if you go under one of my longer form videos, so you can see this is a 21-minute long video, and it got 400 views at this point, got me 5 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $3.20. So, you know, just with this small amount of views, still paying out a lot more than if I got 400 views with a YouTube short. And as you can see, looking at the traffic, how are people finding this video? It's actually getting pushed off of related shorts. So I'm using the traffic that I'm getting from this YouTube short here with 400,000 views, and I'm pushing some of the traffic to my longer form video and generating more ad revenue. So you could do that by going onto the details section in your analytics, and if you scroll on down, you could see that there is a section for related video. So you could just edit this however frequently you want. Like, go to your analytics, see what YouTube Shorts is actually getting views, and put a longer form video in this section, and then they'll just click on the link, and then it'll push the viewer to a longer form video, therefore generating you more ad revenue. So that is how I'm going to be making more money with YouTube Shorts. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.